day everyone. So I am here to show you the live stream video on how to play the game of generals in online. So I don't use the board game anymore because I don't have any playmate or other opposing player or without arbiter. So I'm going to play this online. So let's start. Remember, this is the live stream recording. All rights and reserves and all the features here are credits to the owner of the game from above the text. So let's start the game. This is how I play the game. So Game of the Generals, or Salpakan in Tagalog, is a Pinoy Stratego. Yeah, same as the original Stratego from long time ago. The inventory it is here. So it is all popular among the Filipinos. So it needs arbiter without numbers, without ranks, unlike Stratego. So it is called Pinoy Stratego. And also the mine here is set by the planning of war, so we need to prepare for that. So here I'm going to play with AI. I'm going to fix the positions. Don't worry, this strategy will be effective. After that, I'm going to think and plan ahead. Before watching this video, please don't forget to subscribe this channel so I can make you some of the other live stream videos for the first time. So okay, here it is. I'm going to start the game now. Let's see if he can. That's it for today. Good. That AI won't fool me, so I'm the winner of the game. And this is how you play Game of the General. So before ending this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share to your friends. And also, thank you for watching. This is Yobe. Yobe. And always remember, the day has begun. Nagsimula pa lang ako eh. Salamat sa inyong panonood. Salamat. Hanggang sa muli.